Friday, April 10th, 2015 at 6 o'clock p.m. It's 6 o'clock p.m. right now. Building, my apartment building. We got a brand new air conditioning unit just back in December, and I'm going to go and take a look at it right now. It's a very, very nice, gorgeous spring day. It's 12 degrees. Actually, no, it's dropped down 2 degrees now. It was 12, but now it's 10 degrees Celsius. Windy too. It's really, really, really windy. Goodman it's made from. Brand new air conditioning unit. We just got it just in December of 2014. Last time I made a video on this, the snow was on the ground, so we just got it, and there's where the pipes right there for it. They got to run some pipes into the wall here. They got to hook this air conditioner unit up to the furnace system, so they're going to get at it sometime within a month. So we just got this thing in December 2014. At the very same time, our apartment building got a brand new electric furnace to heat the hallway. but the apartments are heated by their own, with their own electric heaters and air conditioners. So this thing here is for to cool the apartment building, the hallway. And they were telling me, I guess they're not going to keep it too cold. They're going to keep it, I think, about 23 degrees Celsius. So they'll keep it on cool on 23 degrees Celsius. Just enough to take the moisture out. So once it gets very, very humid, this thing will make a difference. It will take all the moisture out of the hallway. Because last year, a couple of times it got so... Before we had this thing, we never had air conditioning in the building. It was just a ventilation fan that pulled in the air from the outside, so we could not cool the hallway. And then when it got very humid and steamy, the humidity and the moisture set off one of the smoke detectors in the apartment building, and it called the fire department, thinking that it was smoke, but meanwhile it was steam. So with this thing here, it should prevent that happening, and we shouldn't have those smoke detectors going off this year. Once this thing's on, it'll just take the steam out, the moisture, and it'll keep the hall cooler than outside. So anyhow, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video. It's Christian Kennedy over and out. Bye now.